Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm with my puppy in my bathrobe. It is the day after Thanksgiving. I'm not sure when you will see this video. I'll try to post it within the next couple days, but I don't know. A lot of my videos are late. I have a lot of videos on my phone that are pre-recorded that I just need to edit and get them up. So I'll be doing that as soon as I can. But I want to show you a couple things that I got from Ipsy. So I got my Ipsy, the Ipsy bag here. This is the Ipsy Plus. So excited about that. And this was just an add-on. So let me show you what this is. A while back, I saw on their add-ons, they had this bag here. This was their last October bag for the Ipsy Plus. I didn't have Ipsy Plus until November of last year, so I missed the bag. And I'd mentioned in a video if anyone had this bag to let me know and I would trade with them something. Nobody responded, nobody, I didn't expect them to, but so I saw this in the add-on sale, or I don't know what they call it in Ipsy. I think they call it add-ons too, but it came with, what did it come with? Two things. Came with two things. Does that help? Let me see if I can open these two things. Let's see. Because I don't even remember. I just wanted the bag. Isn't that terrible? So for the bag and these two things, by the way, it cost $10. Oh, there's more things in here. So, all right. So I got, oh, they're perfumes. These are perfumes. This one's called Dream. In fact, to really be honest with you, I think this was another Ipsy add-on that I just stuck in the bag, because this has been sitting on my kitchen table for quite a while, and I've been meaning to film it, and I just haven't. So I don't think these came with the last year's October Ipsy bag. There was something else in here. I think this was just something I added and got in a separate shipment. So let's see, what does this smell like? Smells pretty. It doesn't smell fruity, so which is what I prefer, is fruity scents. This one is called Catherine Maldrino Dream. That's what this one is. And like I said, I don't, there goes the dog. I don't think I got these in that same mystery bag. This one is called, oh my gosh. Okay, there's big writing, good. English Laundry, Oxford Blue. Let me see what this smells like. On the other, I'm going to smell like two different perfumes. Let's see. Whoops, I just sprayed it in the wrong direction. Okay, sorry. Okay, this one smells better. I like this one. It smells a little more fruitier. That's probably why I got this one. Now, I sprayed that perfume when I just sprayed it right above my dog's head. Right above little Brooklyn's head. So she's kind of ka-chewing. So I didn't spray it directly at her. But I guess, as it kind of goes down. I'm sorry, Brooklyn. Oh, I feel bad because she's very sensitive to scents. I mean, who isn't, right? Oh, poor baby. I'm sorry. Okay, so what did I get in here? I got a Murad product. This is the Essential Seed Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 right here. So it's just a sample size. I did cancel my regular Ipsy because I didn't want these little sample sizes anymore. I have so many, and I find myself like thinking, well, should I use a full size or should I just get this sample size done with? And you know what I mean? It's like I don't like to waste, and I don't want my things to expire. So I just stopped with the little samples. This is a Clear Improvement charcoal mask here. And then this one is a marine cleansing balm. This little tiny cleansing balm. So, you know, I don't get these little samples anymore, but I believe these three things are what came with my October bag. So here's the balm. It's a blue color. I think it's a cleansing balm. That's what it says. Yeah, cleansing balm. Okay. So that was what I got in this. And I pretty much just wanted this, and the other things were just bonus. And the perfumes were an add-on by themselves. I must have just stuck them in here. Anyway, let's get into the Ipsy for this month that you've probably all seen. But everyone gets something different, so you may not have seen what I got. So this is the bag that it came in. This was not in the bag because it's too big right here. And this is a Complex Culture Oval Paddle Brush. This was my choice item. So I did choose this. I don't remember what other thing was my choice item. But this is really neat. If you can see in there, there's little bristles. And then the top part. And is it cushioned? Doesn't feel too cushioned. But let's see. It works. Yep. It brushes. It's all I wanted. So yeah. So I got a brush, a hair brush. And Brooklyn is over here thinking that she's going to eat the hairbrush box. That's what she's thinking. She says, oh, I'm going to eat that box. All right. Brooklyn, you make it impossible. Impossible. Okay, what else did I get? I got a Nomad Venice Simplin Express palette. A Nomad palette. See if I can open it without tearing the box. Brooklyn, no. No. No, 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 no. Let's see if I can get this out of here. I can show you what it looks like for those of you that may not have seen it from somebody else. Here it is. All right, it has no mirror on the top. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. I love palettes. It's a weakness of mine. I'm always getting palettes and I do use them. There's one that I really like that I've been using a lot. It's the Fireside Palette from, was it from Ipsy? Gosh, I don't remember. It was either Ipsy or BoxyCharm, but I use that one a lot. It's got a lot of colors that I like. But this is the Nomad palette. Okay, so I got that. As I'm unboxing everything, I'm putting it back in this Ipsy bag because, yeah. So what else did I get? What else did I get? I can't wait to find out. All right, I don't remember again what was my choice item. So, Il Maquillage. I believe that's how to pronounce this. And I think it's a lip color. Whoa, Brooklyn, no, 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 no. Here it is right here. I think it's a lip color. Yes, looks like a lip color. And it looks like a Kelly lip color. Yes, it does. It looks lighter pink because of the light that you guys are seeing it in. But it is actually more of a darker mauve color. Let's see. It's very hard to put on lipstick with this camera on my phone. I don't know. It's probably like not even like in the lines or anything, but this is the lipstick and I only put on a little bit, so I don't know if it's even showing up. I don't know.
A little bit. Looks nice.
Oh, well, thank you, Nicole. So it is kind of showing up a little bit. That's nice to know. All right, what else did I get? They do have this here. I don't think it has the prices of anything. No, it doesn't have the prices of anything. Let's see if it says anything totally important for you. No, I don't think it does. No. But you know, again, I do have the link to Ipsy in my description box if you wanted to check Ipsy out. If you do use my link, of course, I get a little bit of money toward Ipsy products, and I think you get something too. So just like in every video, there's usually a referral link. Some of the items that I subscribe to, or the subscriptions that I subscribe to, do not have referral links, but that's okay. This one does. Okay, so this is Thrive Cosmetics. I believe this is a mascara, liquid lash extensions mascara. Yes. What do you have, Brooklyn? Oh, there she goes. She's got a little tiny piece of paper. Just a little tiny one. Otherwise, I would grab it from her, but... So here's the tube. This is very pretty, and I'm not going to open up the mascara because rumor has it that once you open it, the clock starts a-ticking. I guess you're supposed to throw away your mascara every 3 months, which I do not. Nope, 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 because I hate waste. And then here is an Eloise, and what is this? A glitter, jewels. Oh, it's an eyeshadow. Okay, so it looks like this, the box. And it is an eyeshadow. Let me see. The top is taped, but the bottom is not. So let's see what this looks like. It's like a, to me, it looks like a gold color. So I think that's very pretty. You know, I found that, you know, I've been getting these in some other subscription boxes too, and I haven't really been reaching for them. You know, the liquid eye makeup. But this is a pretty color. I don't know. I might reach for it, or you might see this in a future giveaway. So that was my Ipsy Plus. Everybody's is different. So if you did stay for the whole 12 minutes and 14 seconds, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. You know, that's the thing about Ipsy is, you know, if you've seen one, you haven't seen them all because they are all different pretty much. So anyway, thank you everyone for taking your time to watch me, and please comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. And just keep in mind, Sunday giveaways, some of this stuff you might be seeing there. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye.